Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students of grade 3. How are you today? I wish today you are all fine. Well class, today we are going to learn on chapter 14, the kinds of school in Jakarta. Before we continue for the lesson, please prepare your notebook, pen or pencil and others. And here the lesson chapter 14 for you. Let's check it out together. And here we go. Chapter 14, the kinds of school in Jakarta. Jenis-jenis sekolah di Jakarta. On this chapter, we are going to learn about present verbs, kata kerja bentuk present, and the kinds of school in Jakarta. Jenis-jenis sekolah di Jakarta. For class, please pay attention on this chapter carefully and hear the lesson for you. Here we go. Well, students, now we learn on the glossary. Please pay attention. Badminton, bulu tangkis. Ceremony, upacara. Get up, bangun. Grade, tingkat. Graduate, lulus. Homework, pekerjaan rumah tangga atau PR. Pray, berdoa atau sholat. Study, belajar. Teach, mengajar. Uniform, seragam. Usually, biasanya. Verb, kata kerja. Well, students, please you learn these vocabularies by yourself. Silakan nanti pelajari kembali untuk memperlancar dan menambah perbendaharaan katanya. Then we continue for the next lesson. Well, class, now we are learning on A, listening. Listen and practice together. Dengarkan dan berlatih bersama. The kinds of school in Jakarta. Jenis-jenis sekolah di Jakarta. Jerry studies at early childhood. Jerry belajar di PAUD. Tom and Daisy play at daycare center. Tom dan Daisy bermain di penitipan anak. They meet Mrs. Katy in the kindergarten. Mereka bertemu Nyonya Katy di TK. My brother goes to playgroup. Saudara laki-laki saya pergi ke kelompok bermain. We do ceremony in elementary school. Kita mengadakan upacara di sekolah SD atau di SD. Mr. Dwi teaches math at junior high school. Pak Dwi mengajar matematik di SMP. Miss Jenny teaches science at senior high school. Bu Jenny mengajar sains di SMA. My sister graduated from the university. My sister graduates from the university. Saudara perempuan saya lulus dari universitas. Well, please you learn this again by yourself. Well, students, now we continue on be speaking. Read the text carefully. Bacalah teks berikut dengan hati-hati. I get up at 40:30. I get up at 40:30. Saya bangun pada jam 4:30. I brush my teeth and take a shower and then pray subuh. I brush my teeth, saya menyikat gigi saya, dan mandi, dan kemudian sholat subuh. I put on my uniform and have breakfast. I put on my uniform and have breakfast. Saya memakai seragam dan sarapan. After that, I go to school at 6:15 and come home from school at... After that, setelah itu, I go to school, saya berangkat sekolah at 6:15. At 6:15. Pada jam 6:15. And come back from school at, dan pulang sekolah pada pukul at 12. Pada pukul 12. I pray zuhur. Saya sholat zuhur. Have lunch. Makan siang. Do homework. Mengerjakan PR. And take nap at 13. Dan tidur siang, take a nap pada pukul 13 atau jam 1. At 15 I get up and then pray asar. Pada pukul 15 saya bangun dan sholat asar. In the evening I play football and take a bath after that. Di sore hari saya bermain bola dan mandi setelah itu. Then I pray maghrib at mosque. Kemudian saya sholat maghrib di masjid. I have dinner at 7 o'clock. Saya makan pagi atau sarapan pada pukul 7 sore ya, 7 malam. With my family, dengan keluarga saya. After pray Isha, I study the lessons and then go to bed at 9 o'clock. Setelah sholat Isya, saya belajar pelajaran dan kemudian saya tidur pada pukul 9. Well, class, please. This one reading you practice by yourself. Well, student, this one the exercise. Tell about your daily activity in front of the class. Telling the time. Nah, berikutnya adalah menceritakan tentang kegiatan kalian sehari-hari di depan kelas. Telling the time, menceritakan waktu. I wake up at, saya bangun pada pukul. I have breakfast at, saya sarapan pada pukul. I go to school at, saya pergi ke sekolah pada. Classes start at, kelas mulai pada. I go home at, saya pulang pada. I have lunch at, saya makan siang pada. I do my homework from bla 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 to bla bla bla. Saya mengerjakan PR dari jam berapa sampai jam berapa. I play soccer from bla 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 to bla bla bla. Saya bermain bola dari jam berapa sampai jam berapa. I help my parents from bla 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 to bla bla bla. Saya membantu orang tua saya dari jam berapa sampai jam berapa. I take a bath at, saya mandi pada pukul. I have dinner at, bla bla bla. Saya makan malam pada pukul. I go to bed at, saya tidur pada pukul. Nah, this one you can make it, this one, and then you can fill it the time. Nah, yang ini bisa dibuat di buku tulis kalian dan diisi jam kalian sesuai dengan kegiatan kalian. Well, we continue. Well, class, let us try. This one, from number 1 to 8, you do it on your book and write the answer. Tugas berikutnya adalah let us try. Kerjakan nomor 1 sampai 8. Cukup tulis jawabannya. Okay, you have to one and this one and this one. Well, students, thanks for watching. See you next time, and God bless you always. Goodbye, see you, and good luck for you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.